Hello, I'm Brett Stout, and welcome. I'm going to tell you a little bit about this semester's project, the $100 Challenge. Um, I made some amazing peanut butter bars and sold them this semester. Um, so I was able to sell 25 dozen peanut butter bars. They're delicious, so everyone loved them. And here's my profit loss statement. I was able to produce $312.50 in overall sales, and my cost of goods sold on the so that's the 25 dozen peanut butter bars. The cost of goods sold for those were $134, leaving me with a gross profit of $178.67, which I was pretty happy with. Seems how the goal was $100. So that was my project, and I'm excited to donate that to the charity of my choice. Thanks so much, and have a great day.